In today's video, it's a teary farewell for drift legend Nomura Ken. I get to ride shotgun with D1 Light star Tani Kouichi. Also keep an eye out for future drift stars Nomura Keiichi and Exite video magazine's Dustin Mankin. What's up people? So I've just hit up the owner of High Tension, that's his car behind me, and I'm going to go for a ride a little bit later. I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be great. Yeah, we went around a couple more times, but turns out these engines overheat real quick, so we had to get back to the pit area. Drifting is not my thing at all, but it was a fantastic experience, and I want to say thank you to Tani-san once again for letting me ride along. The guy is a real character, and he has a hat for every occasion. And this was definitely an occasion. It may have been just a small local event, but it was very much seen as a heartfelt send-off to everyone's hero, Nomura Ken. Having said that, no one was really expecting him to take part in any drifting, but right at the end of the day, everyone was packing up and he just said, I want to get out there. Tani-san also was going to drift with him. He put on some new tyres. Out they went. And you could just feel the change in atmosphere. There was a real buzz. It was real special. And the man with the hats is absolutely killing it down the straight. Look at him go. But then Nomura Ken comes back to the pits and everyone stops watching. There is that sort of ceremony at the end there. And then Tani-san comes back and he's all embarrassed. It was all very, very funny. So then there was the presentation. It was all very, very moving. And even for me, not a drift fan, but it was really heartfelt stuff. The crowd wanders away and someone suggests to Nomura Ken that they grab a beer. He says he already has had one. What a character. Nomura Ken, thank you for 18 years. Otsukaresama deshita.